first thing you need to know is that the side facing you is the front. This is the up, the right, the left, and the down. Okay, once you have it scrambled, for this video we're just going to choose green as our starting color. You want to have that on the up side. And what you're going to try to do is you're going to try to get this cross to be all green. And to do that, you need to find a green piece, such as this one, and line it up with whatever other color it has. So it's already lined up for me. Yellow and yellow, green and green. And you're just going to rotate it up to the top like that. And then you're going to find another one and do the same thing. And if it comes up like this, where the colors are switched around, you're going to do this algorithm. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. So now that they're in the right spots. Now that you have the cross, you're going to try to get all the corners. And by doing that, you have to find the corner down here and move it to the right colors. So it's red, white, and green, red, white, and green. And the algorithm to get it up here is right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And you just repeat that until it comes to the top. And sometimes it might take only one time, sometimes it could take a lot longer. Now you're going to move to the next one. So you find one that matches, bring it over here, green, white, orange, green, white, orange, and do the same algorithm. Once you have all of the corners done, you should not only have the whole top green part, but you should also have this first whole row. Now what you do is you flip it over so the green is on the bottom. And now we're going to try to do the second row. And to do that, we find a piece that doesn't have blue in it, and we make them correspond. And since we want the white to go to the right, we do this algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And that makes it so they're in the right spot. And now, if we want one, let's see here. Okay, so we do the same thing for this one, because it's yellow. So up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And now we have the red, and because we want this one to go to the right, we're basically going to do the opposite. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. So now it's here. And the last one, we're moving to the left, so we do the same thing. Up inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Once you have that, on the blue side you're either going to have one blue dot, a blue L, a blue line, or a blue cross. And we're trying to get the blue cross. And to do that, you are going to repeat the algorithm front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front, until you get to the L. And once you have the L, you're just going to do it again. And the L should be in the upper left hand corner. So front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. So now we have the blue line, and we're going to do that same algorithm one more time to get the cross. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now that you have that, you're going to try to make all of these line up. And if you have two that are the same, you're going to want to put one in the right hand and one in the back. If they're opposite each other, one is going to be in the front, one is going to be in the back. But I only have one, so it's going to be in the front. Now you're going to do the algorithm right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, right inverted. And now I have all of these lined up. Now that you've done that, you're going to want to try to get all of these corner pieces to be blue. And you do that by finding one piece that has all three colors matching. In this case, for me, it's orange, blue, and white. Orange, blue, white. And you're going to want to put it in the bottom right hand corner and do the algorithm that goes like this. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And you want to keep doing that until all of the corners are in the right places, but not necessarily face the right way. And now to finish, we're going to do one last algorithm, and when we do it, it's going to look like it's all messed up, but it'll come together in the end. So we're going to do the same algorithm we did to get the other corners, and we're going to do right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And once you did that one, you're just going to move the top one over and do it again. And now all you have to do is move over the pieces so that they line up. And then you have solved your Rubik's Cube.
Leave the nest and make your own, suitable for yours to grow.